Are you looking for a high-performance reaming system with unique properties? If yes, stay tuned. Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm Director Sales Tools here at URMA, and today we are going to talk about reaming tools. So reaming tools are used in high precision bores in different sectors. They go from small to big and from long to short. Why do you need a reamer? A reamer is made to produce a perfect bore with a very nice surface finish and a very high precision. And of course, in a reasonable amount of time. The RX reaming line starts on the RX Small, which starts from 7.6 and goes all the way up to the RX Large, which ends at 200.2 millimeters. And of course, everything in between. We're specialists in reaming. We offer a very deep portfolio from exchangeable head systems up to very sophisticated special tools with guide pads or multiple diameters and things like this. These are all purpose-made, but of course we have also our standard line. Our RX inserts are made of carbide or cermet. We apply specific or standard geometries and coatings on our inserts. And this helps us to reach the best performance and have the highest rigidity. The high precision interface which we have guarantees a very high reliability and makes the job a lot easier. The multiple edge system allows us to run very high feed rates and have less contact time, which is of course excellent for low cost per bore and very high tool life. Most of our reamers are made on order, so they're purpose made for your application. But of course we offer also stock items, and we are pretty fast in making them. We also offer an express line.